Hey guys, I'm here with another video. Today I am going to replace, which I believe this is the lower engine coolant hose, which connects to the reservoir down here. And it goes all the way to the back, connecting right here. And then this one connects over here. And so what happened was, I started to have another leak. As you guys can see, my engine coolant is pretty low. So I started to look for the leak, and then after checking all of the hoses, after checking the engine coolant reservoir, I noticed that there was a specific hose that was leaking. And that was this one right here. Alright guys, so the first step, the first thing you want to do is remove this part, so you can have access to removing the hose. Alright guys, for this next part, what we're going to do is, so pretty much I am going to start from the back. So I'm going to remove, there's a clip, as you can see, there's a clip right here, which we have to remove in order to take this out. And then we also have to remove this clamp right here, and then this clamp over here. So you can start by using a flat screwdriver, just to get underneath. I don't know if you guys can see. The clamp is right here, so just put the flat screwdriver in the bottom. So you see the clip right here? Just pull it out. There you go. This part should come out easily. I don't have a lot of engine coolant in my cars, so I don't think it's gonna, yeah, so you just pull it out. Okay. Alright guys, so we are now going to remove this clamp. Alrighty guys, so I already got this part out. It's a little difficult, but just use this, and I just pry the clamps together and pulled it out. So now we are going to work on the other one. And for this one, you can just take this out to make it easier. Alright guys, so this is the new hose that I'm going to be installing. So same procedure, we're going to start from the back and then work our way up. This is the old one. Unfortunately, this part was damaged, and I think it's because of the clamps there. I don't know, or maybe it's the coolant. But yeah. Alright guys, all I'm doing right now is replacing the clamps. These kind of clamps that hold the hoses together. So I'm just switching them over to this one. I already switched both of them, so they should be good to go. And I am going to replace these clamps with the silver ones, because these cause a lot of problems. Okay guys, so I already installed the hose. As you can see, I put a different type of clamp on there. That way it's easier for me next time if I ever have to replace that hose. I put back the filter. It was easy, just connecting all the parts. And now I am also connected. I left this clamp on, and it wasn't that hard. It's not in a tight space, so I left that one the same. So now I'm just filling up my coolant reservoir. So yeah. Alrighty guys, I'm in the final stages. I already replaced the hose. I connected all of the parts. So now I'm filling up my engine coolant. And one thing I would like to point out is make sure you use the correct antifreeze, which is Cool 5050. Especially made for GMs. And another thing, when you start filling this up, you remember to always take the air out, or to bleed the antifreeze, the coolant lines. That way there isn't any air in the hoses. So yeah, and you will see it once you bleed it. The bleeder is over here. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like a yellow screw. You can't really see in the camera, but it's right there. So just get like a flat screwdriver, and just turn it. Don't take it all the way out. Just make sure the air comes out, and you turn it until you see engine coolant coming out, and then you just tighten it back up, and that should be good.